Hello guys, I welcome you to SAE NITK project review. I am Jatin Kaushal and I will be doing this project review. This project was done under the year-long projects for the year 2022 to 2023, and topic was traffic sign recognition using CNN. The Jatin Kaushal, that's me, and Shannon Carlo was the mentor for this project, and we had four mentors which help us a lot. Adish Kerkar, Anil Gedila, Arvind Prabhu, and Harshit Medival. So, introduction. What was our like abstract and why did we choose this project? Because like in the world of artificial intelligence and advancement in technologies, like many companies like Tesla, Uber, and Google are working on autonomous vehicle and self-driving car. And so for achieving this kind of autonomous technology, the vehicle should be able to interpret the traffic signs and make decisions accordingly, because this is the most important part of any autonomous vehicle, that they are able to recognize the traffic sign and move accordingly. So our objective in this project, our prime objective is to make a convolutional neural network that can classify traffic signs present in the image into different categories. And our secondary objective was to make an autonomous car robot that moves on its own and finds the part with the help of traffic sign it encounters on its way. Yeah, though the robot is supposed to make use of computer vision technique like using OpenCV Python to detect the traffic sign from the camera module using deep neural network, and detected sign is recognized. Yeah, so how it works. I'll show you our Google Colab file where we did this project. Yeah, so yeah, here we have used like with different kinds of Python libraries, and we imported them such as NumPy, Matplotlib, Keras, Computer Vision, Pandas. The data set we use is like publicly available German traffic science data that's available on Kaggle. Yes, and in this data set, we had 43 classes which start from 0 to 42, and like each in data set, like there are 43 folders, and the different folders have like different names and contain different kind of signs. So like it's easy to classify them. Yeah, then we segmented our data set into training data set, validation data set, and testing data set, and like we label them features and labels to identify. Yeah, so then we did some data pre-processing. Like you can see here, first we have like visualize our data, like what's our data, like what's our like average data values. You guys can see it here. So yeah, this is our training data set distribution. As you can see, it's goes from 0 to 42. There are 43 classes, and like not all classes have equal number of data sets. Some classes have a lot of data sets, such as class 1 and class 2, but some classes had very only few data sets, such as class 0 and 19. So for making a CNN for these classes was difficult. So yeah, we are done some data pre-processing. So basically, the data processing pre-processing is done in three steps. We are converting RGB to grayscale because it is easier to work upon. We are standardizing the contrast in all images to like computer is able to recognize traffic signs and its contours easily. And then we are like generating images at different angle to get different perspective. So you can see it here. Like we have done data pre-processing, and this is like we are rotating at the different angles to get different perspective. And yeah, here we have defined our neural model. This is our like custom neural model that we have like compiled using Adam optimizer. The values we chose are like different and like custom, so that we get the highest accuracy we was able to get. We have trained this model using our training data set. As you can see, like there are total 378,023 parameters. Yeah, so our data set was generated and like it was trained. So you can see our loss and accuracy graphs right here. we got like accuracy of about 96%, which was like good enough for this kind of projects. And yeah, here we have tested our project. Here is like random traffic sign that we took from internet, and like we loaded it in a model, and our CNN was able to identify the traffic sign. First it has done some data pre-processing, and like as you guys can see, the traffic sign is keep, right? So yeah, that was our projects. Thank you.